Hi, this is Vizi Pro 3 channel. In today's video, I will show you how to group apps by color on Xiaomi phone. Before you get started, don't forget to subscribe and turn on the notification to keep you updated about this channel. So, let's go! MIUI is probably one of the best Android layers that exists because of the high customization and being able to get the most out of Android devices. Xiaomi terminal benefits for this after years of working on software that you know how to use it. And don't you know that you can change, you can customize, you can group your apps by color, your apps on your phone to make you easier to find the apps. How to do it? So simple. So first of all, you can open up your app drawer. You can go to settings by tap on the upper right corner here. You can see there is an option group icons by color. Group icons by color to find apps faster. You can enable the toggle in here by tap on the toggle like this. You can go back and now you can see here's the groups, the app groups by the color. So simple, right? So that is how to group apps on Xiaomi phone by color. Don't forget to like and subscribe and turn on the notification to keep you updated about this channel. Thank you and see you!